Lexus Smart Access cards are slim, credit card style key fobs found in models like the RX, ES, GX, and NX. These fobs use a standard CR1632 lithium coin cell battery that powers the keyless entry and push button start features. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you see a low battery warning on your vehicle's dashboard, or when the fob becomes unresponsive to button presses. While newer Lexus models can receive over-the-air firmware updates that help optimize battery life, physical battery replacement is still necessary when the old one depletes. Fortunately, replacing the battery yourself is straightforward and can save you money compared to dealership service. The Lexus Smart Access Card is a keyless entry device that uses RFID or NFC technology to communicate with your car. The CR1632 battery powers the transponder chip, enabling push-button start and remote locking. RFID or NFC communication allows seamless access without physical keys. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 2 years, depending on usage and environmental conditions. First, locate the seam on the edge of the key fob, usually on the shorter side. Second, carefully pry open the plastic shell using your tool. Avoid metal to prevent scratches. Third, note the battery's polarity with positive side up before removing the old battery. Fourth, insert the new battery with the positive side up and snap the case back together. Wear gloves during battery replacement to prevent oil from your skin transferring to the contacts, which can cause corrosion and damage the key fob. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it at a proper facility to protect the environment and comply with regulations. If you're unsure about any step in the replacement process, seek professional service from a dealership or locksmith to avoid accidentally triggering a vehicle lockout, which may require reprogramming costing between $50 and $100. When comparing DIY versus professional battery replacement for your Lexus Smart Access Card, the costs differ significantly. DIY replacement typically costs just $5 to $10 for the battery itself. Professional service at a dealership can range from $50 to $150. This makes DIY a cost-effective choice for most owners. However, if your vehicle is still under warranty, consider professional service to avoid voiding your coverage. Improper DIY replacement could lead to reprogramming fees or warranty issues.